Welcome to the Checkout Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide a shipping method based on the order quantity using the Next Reorder app. So this is useful when certain shipping methods are available only for lighter or heavier order like that. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the app section. Here we can click on Next Reorder app. So for open hide shipping method, we can choose the shipping method and here we can click on quick hide shipping method. So to configure the rule, we can give the rule name as hide express delivery for order above 3 items like that. Okay, the rule status is activated. Now the shipping method is express delivery. So we can add the condition so that here we can choose items in cart. So here enter the amount. The items in cart get greater than 3. The express delivery will be hide. So before that we can go to the checkout. Here we can see there is 6 items total. So now there is express delivery. So when we save this, it will be hide. So let's save it. Okay, now the rule has been created. Go to the checkout and let refresh. There is 6 items in the cart. So yeah, the express delivery will be hidden. So for more than 3 items, the express delivery will hide. So the condition is applied here and it's successfully updated. So the quantity based shipping rules help you offer suitable delivery option and avoid shipping method that are inappropriate for heavy orders. So that's it. You have successfully hidden a shipping method based on the cart items value. So using the Next Reorder app. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.